Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Greece. On tonight's menu, baked Greek cod with lemon and garlic. The morning mise en place. Just after prep, and I added some carrots. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the carrots. The carrots ready to go in the oven. All the goodies for the cod lemon sauce. Here's the lemon sauce put together. Here's all the goodies for the cod. The cod all dressed up. And we add the lemon sauce. In a medium saute pan, we heat up some olive oil. We add the onions and the garlic. Then we add the herbs and continue to saute. We add the orzo and stir. Then we add the lemon zest and stir. Then we add the veggie broth. Bring to a simmer and simmer for about 10 minutes. The carrots are out of the hot box. The orzo is ready. The cod is out of the hot box. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have fun cooking.